There are many cars that have the reputation of being unbeatable. Not only are they quick off the line, but they must perform consistently day after day, week after week, and year after year. Whether in the quarter, half, or mile-plus stretches of road. There are none better anywhere. Don't ever try to beat these guys, because they'll get you coming and going each and every time.
Cruising the rustic pine-lined highways of northern Wisconsin is a car that for all intents and purposes is unbeatable. A car that stalks its prey with the predatory skill of a fox and the striking power of a cobra. A car whose strength is built not only on performance, but on deception as well. A sleeper? To some maybe. Built sleek and sassy, only the intense graphics give it away, and by the time you figured it all out, it's too late. This powerfully potent 1991 Camaro RS is one of 23 Camaros currently deployed by the Wisconsin State Police, providing full motor vehicle enforcement on the hundreds of miles of state highway that traverse America's dairy state. This Camaro packs premium firepower both inside the cockpit and under the hood. The menacing looks of this car are second to none as it prompts a second and third glance just to make sure you know what you're seeing. Backing up the powerful image this Camaro projects is an equally powerful 5.71-liter 350 cubic inch block that pumps out about 245 horses. Top end is about 150 miles per hour or better, more than enough to hold its own in any situation. While much of this car's time is spent in its surveillance mode, the reliable fuel injection system stands ready to pour on the fuel in a moment's notice. The excellent handling and exceptional power of this RS make it a perfect choice to patrol the flat-out stretches of highway in tight curves that are so characteristic of Wisconsin. While troopers around the country are giving their absolute best day in and day out to keep our roads safe, this trooper does it, and does it in style. Check out the interior, stuffed, crammed, and jammed with the latest high-tech gadgetry and communications. This rowdy road rocket cuts the time it used to take to make an ID into seconds rather than minutes. Once you're in his sights and the trooper locks on, better double check your speed, because if you're not within the limit, he's going to let you know it.